What's up, guys? Hope you're having a great day. We're back again. Today we are going to be making a skybox for our world. So a quick note, we are going to be moving away from that one world that we've been using in the previous videos, the practice world, for something a little more spacious to work in. I already have something put together, and it includes all of the things we've already worked on. Alright, so here we go. Let me go ahead and give you the tour real quick, just so you can see it does indeed include everything we've talked about so far. You'll notice the bigger your world gets and the more assets you use, it takes longer to build it and load it. Um, but once it initially loads it for like the day or whatever, um, tends to load quicker after that. Alright. Let's run a little shop. Let's see if we can fix that real quick. Alright, there we go. It's looking smooth now. So you can see we have a door here that is toggling. We have an object here that is toggling. We have a button that toggles. We have a mirror. Ooh, does not like running that while I'm recording. We have seats. We have a video player. Let's see what else we got going on here. We got a glass door that slides open. You can kind of see that. Multiple of those. We haven't covered the textures yet, but we will get to that next video. What we're going to be doing today is adding a skybox. You can see I already have one currently, and we will be changing that to another one, so you can see how to do it from scratch. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go to the asset store. Because I am not an artist. If you can make your own skybox, that's awesome. I personally, you can Google them or you can go to the asset store and find one. Alright. So we're going to search for a skybox. You can see there are paid ones, but there are also free skyboxes. So we are going to grab... We're going to grab this one. No, it's paid. Oh, sorry, let's get for a free one. We'll just grab this one. Okay, so you can see this does come with the material, which is great. Makes it easier on us. We could apply the textures to the material, but we don't need to if they supply the material itself. Import. Import all. Okay, so that finished importing. You can see it's under Star Field Skybox right here. So let's go back to our scene. At the top here, you're going to go to Window. I believe it's Window, maybe it's Component. Okay, yes, Window Rendering Lighting Settings. What we're going to do is drag the skybox from our star field into the skybox material. Let's close that out and see if it worked. Alright, looks good. Skybox is applied. Alright, so let's take a look at if it did not include the material. Obviously, if you get these off Google, there's a good chance they would not contain that. So I have a materials folder up here that I just right-clicked, created a folder, named it materials. And we would create material. And we would want to name this Skybox. Call it instead of a standard shader, it is so you drop down, click on this drop down, go to, where was I just at? Find Skybox, there we go. And if you have 6 images, it's a 6-sided material. So down here, you can see that in this Milky Way, it's not actually a 6-sided. Oh, I'm sorry, we're on down here. Textures. It is indeed 6-sided. So let's go back up to the material, Skybox, and you would add these according to here. So up would go to up, and etc. So let's go ahead and add the rest of those. Okay, so now those are all set up, and we just add it to the lighting the same way. You just drag that material in. let's see here, where was the Skybox? Drag it in. And launch it. And it should work the way you need it to. Now if you have a panoramic image, you just select Skybox, panoramic, and procedural, etc. It's all done the same way. Alright, so we are in game. Let's see if the Skybox is working. And again, it worked. So you can do that either way. If your download includes a material, you can use material, and if it doesn't, you can make your own 6-sided Skybox with 6 images just like that. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. There will be a lot more videos to come, including how to make this elevator. I'll redo that probably. That's probably going to be the next video. Yeah, if you learned something and this worked for you, and you be sure to like, subscribe, or comment. Leave me a little feedback. I appreciate it. And if you had any issues getting this to work, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to help you fix it. Thanks, guys, and see you next time.